Residual analysis. How do we check whether our regression model is actually a good fit? A residual is simply the difference between the observed value and the predicted value on the regression line. Residual equals yi minus y hat I. If the point is above the line, the residual is positive. If below, it's negative. Here we see one data point at 6, 22. The regression line predicts 18. So the residual is 22 minus 18 equals positive 4. Now let's see all the residuals at once. Here's a scatter plot with data points and a fitted regression line. Each vertical purple segment connects a data point to the regression line. These are the residuals. Some are positive, above the line, and some are negative, below it. The least squares method chose the line that minimizes the sum of the squares of these segments. The residual plot is our main diagnostic tool. We plot residuals on the y-axis against x values on the horizontal axis. A good residual plot shows a random cloud of points with no pattern. This means our model assumptions hold. A funnel shape, where the spread increases with x, signals unequal variance, a violation of the homostaticity condition. And a curved pattern means the relationship is not linear. We might need a different model. A single unusual point can drastically change the regression line. Here are 8 well-behaved data points with a nice upward trend. The green line fits them well. Now watch what happens when we add one influential outlier far to the right and below the trend. The regression line gets pulled dramatically toward this one point, completely changing the slope. This is why we must always check for influential observations. One last important warning: never extrapolate beyond your data. The regression line is only reliable within the range of x values in your data. This is called interpolation, but extending the line far beyond that range is extrapolation, and it can lead to wildly inaccurate predictions. The relationship may be completely different outside your observed range. To wrap up residual analysis, a residual is simply observed minus predicted. Plot residuals against x to diagnose your model. Random scatter is good, patterns signal problems. Always check for influential points that can dramatically change the regression line, and never extrapolate far beyond the range of your data.